Hi, my name is Kayla. I'm going to be singing Adele, Someone Like You. Again, I'm Kayla. I'm singing Adele, Someone Like You. I've been on YouTube before. I sang before Save Me. Um, here we go. I think that you'll settle down, that you'll find things. I think that you're drinking, get to thinking, and giving you ocean, why so shy? Beautiful that oh high from the high. I hate to say that better than you, and I'm back, but I keep staying away. I think about it, I want to see my face, and I can keep going back to you. You don't know, no. Never mind that I find someone like you. With nothing but little love for you. To don't forget you ever. I remember you said sometimes you love, sometimes you think it's true. Sometimes you love, sometimes you think it's true. You know how to fly so free. Yesterday was the time of our life. We were born in faith, in faith, from no haze, by beat the cloud of our glory days. I hate to turn off better than you, holding back that I keep saying, hey, I can't fight it, I want to see my face, and that should be holding back with you. It is lonely. Never mind that I find someone like you. I was nothing but your best for you. Don't forget me, okay? I remember you said sometimes you love, sometimes you hate to stay. I think the first book carries the head. Yes, I must say some memories of me. You have no heart, but it's you, someone like you, I with nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes you love, sometimes it hurts you still. Hey, that's not the rest of it, but I thought it was good. My computer's about to die.